Want to get rich without reading finance books? Here are 5 non-financial books that will supercharge your wealth-building mindset. Book 1. Think and Grow Rich. First up, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This classic is all about harnessing the power of your mind to attract wealth and success. Book 2. Atomic Habits. Next, Atomic Habits by James Clear. Mastering small habits can lead to big financial gains. This book shows you how tiny changes can create massive results. Book 3. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey teaches you to be proactive and goal-oriented, key traits for anyone looking to build wealth. Book 4. The Power of Now. Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle focuses on mindfulness and living in the present, helping you to reduce stress and make better financial decisions. Book 5. The Art of War. And finally, The Art of War by Sun Tzu. This ancient text on strategy and leadership can help you navigate the complexities of business and personal finance. These books aren't just about money, they're about mastering life skills that lead to wealth. Like and subscribe for more ways to boost your success.